In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send stars on Monopoly Go. This process is a fantastic way to engage with friends and exchange valuable game items, so let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to start by opening your Monopoly Go app on your device. Once the app is up and running, direct your attention to the bottom right corner of the screen where you'll find the album icon. Tap on it to open up your collection of stickers and cards. This is where all the magic happens. Now, in order to send a star, or in this case, a sticker or card, you need to have duplicates. Simply put, a duplicate means you have more than one of the same sticker in your collection. Duplicates allow you to share with friends without losing your own set. In this tutorial, I'm using a dummy account, so I don't have any duplicates to demonstrate. But picture this. You come across a sticker or card that you have extras of. This is your opportunity to spread a little joy by sending it to a friend. Assuming you have that duplicate, you will want to select it. Just tap on the sticker or card that you have more than one of. Once that's done, you'll notice an option to Send to Friend. Tap on that, and this will take you to a list of your friends who are also playing Monopoly Go. You will see their names and perhaps even their avatars, making it easy to find the person you wish to gift the sticker to. Go ahead and select the friend you want to send the card to by tapping on their name. After this, you might see a prompt for confirmation, just to make sure you're ready to part with that duplicate sticker. Tap on the Continue button to finalize your thoughtful gesture. And just like that, your duplicate will be sent over to your friend, bringing a smile to their face as they work to complete their own collection of stickers. This simple act not only helps your fellow players, but also adds an element of camaraderie to the game. Sharing stickers can be a fun and strategic part of Monopoly Go, ensuring everyone can enjoy their game time just a bit more. So, next time you have a surplus of a sticker or card, remember how easy it is to send it to a friend and strengthen your in-game connections. And that, my friends, is how you send stars on Monopoly Go. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more game tips. Thank you for watching, and happy gaming.